All right. So, what is up, everybody? It's your boy John Deerman 22. You're welcome back to another video. So, Harvest 2022. It's now day 5 of that. We're still out here combining beans. My grandpa and his brother are busy dumping on the go. Yeah. As you guys can tell, we got a lot done. This is good. This is real good. I kind of like this. They were down for a while when I got back from work. And then when I got... Let's see here. I'm trying to think. When I came back, I just got done dropping something off for Gerald Hahn, I should say. And yeah, now I just got back, and now they're busy dumping on the go way over there. Yeah, we got from right there way down to the end over there somewhere. So yeah. So we're gonna be looking for a new bean head before next fall, which will be when I'll do Harvest 2023. But obviously, I'll still have work, and stuff. Yeah, here comes my grandpa. He's coming with a full load now. And my grandpa and my grandpa's brother is just right there combining beans. So yeah, anyway, everything's going along just fine. So yeah, my grandpa, he's just wait, you'll see him. There we go. Anyway, yeah, they're busy There's the combine right there. We got an auger set up here at the farm. We got the old 4020 and the auger on. We got the old 4020 on the old auger. So yeah, here we go again. Dust is gonna start flying at me. I don't want that. It just went over the spot, which somewhere over there on that mound area is where we had the old burn hole at. And when we covered it, and when we filled it back in and dug the new one, which is over there by the tin shed somewhere, and yeah, buried a lot of stuff. And that burned a lot of stuff in that old burn hole, but more ground. What the heck's the difference? So yeah. Anyway. So yeah. This is all they got left is the short rows, I think, because the long rows are basically done. So yeah. We got the trailer sitting over there with some of the new stuff for the bean bin. Yeah, the bean bin here at the farm got itself a little makeover. Some new stuff that you guys probably won't see until we start unloading beans, which won't be until next year. So yeah, anyway. So after this field, they're gonna, let's see here. Oh yeah, they're gonna move to Myrna Schroggy's farm, do combine over there, and then that's it. Then they're done with beans, and then of course, obviously, we'll be going on corn, which corn really isn't ready. You can see it out there. The across the road, that's our cornfield over there. Of course, the rest of it isn't. There's a white post. You guys can, you guys can't see it. But there's a white post that sits in between our field and another field. And on one side of the post is our corn, and the other side is someone else's corn. So yeah, I like doing this kind of content for you guys. Of course, I took a few tips and tricks from my little runt brother, T-Man, which his name's actually Trey, but we call him T-Man. So yeah, got some stuff stuck in the... Oh yeah. Yeah, there was some crud down there. So yeah, I gotta figure out what the heck I'm gonna do for a thumbnail. A thumbnail's kind of hard to do when you're busy filming for a video. Yeah, I got my hand scratched up today. Threw a damn cat across the barn, and the cat still had its claws out in it, and the cat scratched me. Damn son of a bitch. But anyway, you can see my Indian corn just right behind the fence there. I'm having coon trouble over there. Yeah, they're at my mini field, and it's not pretty because I have to deal with it all. So yeah, there's the Brent 544 and the 8400. So yeah, I know when you're looking at it, it's reversed because the camera's flipped at me, but oh well, who gives a shit. So yeah, so they're predicting rain tomorrow and they have rain in the forecast for tomorrow and Wednesday. So that kind of sucks because because now who knows when we'll get done. We have a lot of beans left to go. We don't have too many left. We got here and then Myrna Schroggy's farm. And then they'll combine. Then once they get done combining beans there, bring the bean head back. I'm assuming they'll bring the bean head back here. And then they're going to hook the corn head on, which is a 6-row corn head. I think it's a 693. I don't know. I could be wrong. I've been wrong before on the numbers. I don't know. We don't run an 8-row and we don't run a 12-row. It's just a 6. 6-row corn head is just perfect. Is a perfect size for that for the combine right out for that combine. So yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna flip you guys around for a while so that way you guys can get some. That way you guys can see some combining action. Well, there you guys go. I'm still gonna be talk. I'm gonna still talk. But yeah, just while let's see here. Trying to get the get it out. Yeah, anyway, anyway, there we go. There's some that. There we go. Got some. There we go. That's about good. All right. So, yeah, I hope you guys like that. I don't know what the heck Brian was telling me to do there. Yeah. Anyway, so they're gonna continue combining for now until they get done or they have another breakdown. So I'm hoping you guys are enjoying the Harvest 2022. I'm hoping you guys are enjoying it because we have a lot of combining action left to go. I mean, we still have a ton left. Still have corn left to go, you guys. So, yeah, I think this will be the last soybean. This will probably be the last harvest video for soybeans, and then harvest 2022 day 6, which won't begin until it won't begin. Harvest 2022 for corn, which will be day 6, is when we start. You guys will. Geez, look at that dust come off the combine. Holy shit! You can't even see them now. That combine's just in a cloud of dust. Look at that. You guys can't even see the combine. Anyway, that's where I'm going to leave you guys for now. I'll talk to you guys all tomorrow. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell for each and every upload that comes your way and that comes out on my channel. And as always, I'll talk to you guys later. And bye for now.